Hi, today we are talking about the electrophoresis. Electrophoresis is a major instrument in biochemistry part. So electrophoresis is majorly separations of similar particles by using of anions, cations, so this is charged particles. So by this electrophoresis, like electro means flow of electricity and phoresis means from the Greek word it carries the across. So a gel is colloids and suspension that in particular a medium occurring in a solid from the gelatin. So gel electrophoresis refers to a separations of charged particles located in gel when electric current is applied. So when the DNA cut the restriction enzymes, the result is mixture like a piece of DNA fragments length. So it is useful to be able to separate the pieces for the recovering a particular pieces of DNA for forensic work or for sequence. So why we need this agarose? So agarose is a polysaccharide made from the few agarose dissolved in buffer in a heated, then cools with the gelatinous solid network across the linked molecules. Some gels made with acrylamide if sharper and bends are required. So buffer is we are using buffers. So this buffer provides an ions in solution ensure with the electric conductivity. So not only in the agarose dissolved in the buffer, but a gel slab is submerged this gel in a buffer after hardening. So also needed a powerful supply this power supply is mainly a gel chamber. So this gel chamber comes to a variety of models from the commercial through the homemade, and also how this DNA is an organic acid. So this is a negative charged, remember DNA negative fragments. When DNA is exposed to electrical fields, so this particle migrate towards the positive electrode. Similarly, the piece of DNA can be traveled further in a given time in the larger pieces. So these steps DNA is prepared by the digestion of restriction enzymes. The agarose is made by approximately thickness. The higher the percentage of agarose, the slower than the big fragments run. So unmelted in the microwaves, the gel is chamber. It is set up from the comb insert. So the agarose may have a DNA dye added. It may be stained later. So the comb is removed with the leaving a little wells, and buffer is purposed cured the gel is to cover the completely. The DNA samples are mixed with the dense loading dye, so they sink into their wells and can seal. So this the power is source of intern and power is the source of intern on the gel is run. So the time of run depends upon the amount of current and percent of gel. So and requires the experience experimentations. So at the end of the run gels removed. So it is actually quite stiff. So the gel is ionized visualizations, so UV causes and bends of the fluorescence, DNA fluorescence. So the gel is as seen UV light some of the it has two fragments of DNA while the other hands on none other. So more many samples can be, but this run gel one gel, but important keep track. So most gel has one LAN DNA ladder and DNA fragments known as size and those separates. So the DNA bands interested. So the DNA bands interested can be cut with the gel. So the DNA is extracted or DNA is removed with the gels by using southern blotting techniques. So these are the blotting technique also here we are using. So what are the blotting techniques? Means southern blotting, western blotting and northern blotting. So southern blotting for using for the DNA and western blotting is for proteins and northern blotting is for RNA. These are blotting techniques. Then further we can extension of this study in the southern blotting techniques. By using this gel electrophoresis is majorly here talking about by using gel like agarose gel here we are using. So this agarose is majorly in these compounds. So the thing we will discuss about